In this lesson, we'll learn a new kiwaha to add to our kete, or basket. I like this one because it's the Māori equivalent to the world-famous Kiwi saying, neck minute. Our kiwaha today is mea rawa ake, neck minute. I left my scooter outside the dairy, mea rawa ake. I left my scooter outside the dairy, neck minute. There are two other ways to say neck minute in Māori. The first is whaia and the other is ehara. Whaia literally translates to followed by. I started to be more consistent at the gym and my diet. Whaia, I saw results. And ehara loosely translates to sure enough. I was told not to leave my bags unattended. Ehara, it was stolen. So, there are slight variations to the meaning of neck minute in Māori. But that's the beauty of our reo. It can be used in very specific context. Try these 3 kiwaha next time. Tēnā karawhiua. Give it a go.